Hello and welcome back with another video. Hope you are fine. In this short video, I will show you how to create a restart button right here in the desktop right-click menu. It's very easy to do so, but you will follow the steps carefully. First of all, go to search bar and type registry editor and click the best match. In registry editor, click the first one, and search for desktop background. Here right-click on Shell, New, then Key, and give a name to it, Restart. Now right-click on Restart, New, then Key and give a name to it, Command. Double-click right here on Default to set the value. Type this command in the dialog box and click OK. As you can see that the restart button is created here, but we will change its position. Here you have to select string value, and the name will be position. If you want it on top, just type top, and if you want it in the bottom you can write bottom. Now let's check if it is working or not. I have used my mobile to record the screen. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to ask me, write in the comment box below, I will try my best to answer you. See you in next video, take care of yourself, bye.